y'all. Happy Sunday. I'm currently on my way to church. The perfect way to reset and start this week off right.
We said, ain't nobody worthy of my submission. Therefore, since nobody's worthy, I ain't doing it. But that's actually not true. Because you do it. Just when it's of great benefit to you.
So I just got out of church. The sermon was amazing. We're currently in a sermon series called After the Rose. He started around Valentine's Day. So of course it's about relationships. And with relationships comes that word, submission. You know, it's a cuss word in the culture. But if you knew the word submission in reference to the word of God, you wouldn't be as shaken as you are when you hear it outside of church. Pastor taught from Ephesians 5 today, but we were actually talking about submission this past Wednesday in Women's Bible Study, and she taught from 1 Peter. I'm going to insert that footage now because First Lady, she broke that thing all the way down.
In the early years of my marriage, I just had an opinion about everything. And I still have a lot of opinions, but I decide when to say them. Should I say them? Should I keep that to myself? Should I tell the Lord about it? I still don't get it right, but here's the thing. Submission is not because my opinions have decreased. It's not because my opinions have changed. It's because my choices have changed. I'm choosing to say, God, your way is better than my way. I talked about this recently. Submission is not suppression. And a lot of us get in trouble because we think submission is suppression. Suppression means that you don't develop something or that something doesn't come to its fullness. That's what it means to suppress. That's not what submission is. And God will deal with the men who equate submission with suppression. That's between them and the Lord. But you need to know that submission means bringing your whole self and making a choice that honors the Lord. So you don't try to act like you're more quiet than you are. You don't try to act like you agree when you don't. Submission says, I disagree with this, but I'm following. That's what submission says. And when we leave this place, and it's not me and you anymore, everybody's gonna know that I'm following. My disagreement is not for everybody else. I can disagree with my husband and choose to follow him. And when it's not me and him anymore, you're not gonna know I disagreed. It's not for you to know. That's for me and my husband. And so sometimes you're gonna be lost and circle the block. And sometimes it's not going to make sense. And you're going to say, if you had just listened to me. And God is saying, but he didn't. And if you, Jada, just listen to me, I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing every single time. And so the genuine trust in God's design is absolutely imperative. Or you're going to always be questioning the behavior of people and how they make you feel as opposed to a trust in God's design.
And that's my first lady, drops mic. So this is the after church outfit of the day. Very simple, don't mind the mirror. But yeah, got this linen dress from H&M, shoes LV, socks Hanes, gold jewelry. And that's pretty much our fit. We're about to go take advantage of this good weather. You roll it over? Oh my goodness. Oh. Go, 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 go. Go, mama. Go, let go of the blanket. Yay! Yay! Oh, you got a little way to go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good job. High five. She legit just rolled over for the first time. Girls love Lululemon.
Can you ride with me? I'll pay you back.
Gonna try this again. Round 2, carrot juice. Square up, bro. Here's the pen. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, somebody. That's good. Yeah, that's the one. So here is the carrot juice, and this recipe, yes. That green juice recipe, not so much. I really think it was the celery though that made that one so pungent. So I'll probably try that one again and just eliminate the celery altogether. But yeah, this one right here, it did say to sprinkle some turmeric on the top. I'm not ready to drink these yet. I want them to get cold, but when it is time, I'll do that. I did try a little bit on the side and put a little sprinkle turmeric in there, and it just gave it a little kick. So we like that, and I like this recipe. Real good, real good. Hey y'all, it's Friday. I noticed I don't vlog throughout the week, but you know, I just be working. Ever since I got back from maternity leave, it's just been go, go, go. But I'm off work now. We made it to Friday. I have a few things I need to get done today. Yeah, I have a few things I need to get done today. I have a front seat full of packages that I need to return to the post office and UPS, and I have a birthday dinner I need to get ready for later on today. But first, I return these packages and let me get my hair together before I go out in public. I keep saying I'm going to put a protective style in, but then I go to looking at these edges like, treat me nicely. Treat me nicely. Postpartum shedding is for the birds. I ain't got no edges, but I got some hair in the bank. What's wrong, baby? Want to make an appearance? You want to say hi? I mean, it's just a few. Hey, y'all. So I'm just about ready to leave for this birthday dinner. The theme is something sparkly, feathery, or glittery. I think this is more so pearly, but you know, it could be sparkly adjacent, so we gonna roll with this tonight. I got this blazer from Pretty Little Thing probably 2, 3, 4 years ago, and I'm just not wearing it. I knew it would come in handy for something, so yes, we're keeping it cute and classy tonight with our pearls. This bump on my chin, Lord, you're killing my vibe, sir. You are really killing my vibe, but that's what happens when you eat too many Skittles. Center tonight is going to be Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo, and we'll make sure I don't mess up my necklaces. I smell good. I feel like I look good. I'll show y'all my feet. So here's our outfit of the night. Blazer again is from Pretty Little Thing. Undershirt, Zara. The little pants are Forever 21. Thigh high boots are from Fashion Nova. And this little bag here is from Shein. Just wearing my gold accessories. I need to go tell my husband to put this on. But this is the outfit of the night. Give you a little pan, a little shun. Hey, there she go. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Mirror stains and all. You gonna get this look. Bye, y'all.
Tell me you love me and trust me. Oh, and it took a while to trust me. Girl, I had to work for it. Still, you don't judge me. I love the way you touch me. I'm feeling like I'm about to lose you. With all the shady shit I do to you. Something the better lessons.
Hey y'all, it's a new day. It's a really nice day. We are currently at the Universe Soul Circus. It was a little surprise for Eden. We've never been, so it should be a good time.
Yeah, there's something on my mind, yeah. On your mind, all I wanna say is la 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 yeah. La 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 yeah. La 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 la. Somebody help me out and say la 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 la. Ooh, yeah. La 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 la. Sounds so sweet when you say la la yeah. La 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 la. Say la 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 you really, really wanna say la 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 la. La 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 all you got to say. La 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 say la.
What are you doing? When I think about my baby, she gonna put on the fashions. You better pause for him, girl. Hey, put your hand on your hip, make the backbone stiff.
Get my makeup done by the best MUA in all the land. You done?
No.
Okay.
Is it birthday?
Yeah, it's my birthday. In a couple weeks. Eden's birthday is in May. Mommy's birthday is this month in March.
It's your birthday.
The makeup is giving, if I do say so myself. Get into it. You can't tell me it's not blended. Look at it. I'm gonna have her contact information down in the description box if you want to book up. It's don't cost you.
Okay, it's my turn.
I'm so pretty.
It's a mommy, your turn, mommy, it's your mommy.
Thank you.
Mommy, your mama. Yeah, your turn, mommy, it's your makeup.
You want me to do your makeup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Melodies from heaven.
Oh, that's the L. Wait. Do y'all hear that sound? It's silence. I have the whole house to myself. So I'm ending the vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Life is great.